What is the synonym of father in Pakistan?
नहीं पता.
India.
What do you call a terrorist attack in Pakistan?
I know.
What?
Work from home.
What is the difference between Pakistan and Ramesh Babu?
पाकिस्तान और रमेश बाबू. What?
पाकिस्तान एक चुटकी सिंदूर की कीमत जानता है.
Where do Pakistani terrorists go when they die?
Go when they die. Like, I don't know, hell? और क्या हो सकता है?
Into buildings.
पाकिस्तान का एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम और उनके प्राइम मिनिस्टर में क्या कॉमन है? दोनों भी यूजलेस है.
What do you call a French prostitute in Pakistan?
What?
Lahore.
पाकिस्तानी फील्डर्स और कॉन्डम में क्या कॉमन होता है?
कल बता दो.
One drops a catch, other catches a drop.
And now,
What do you call a Pakistani woman who gets an abortion?
They don't usually, but no, I don't.
Crime stopper.
What do a sperm and a Pakistani have in common? What? Both have a 1 in a million chance to turn into a human.
तो बेटी अपनी मॉम को जाके बोलती है कि गांव में फौजी आए हैं. तो उसकी माँ बोलती है कि उनकी नीयत ख़राब होती है, तू अंदर आ जा. तो बेटी बोलती है कि माँ वो पाकिस्तानी है. वो बोलती है कि बकरी को भी अंदर ले ले.
What do you call a Pakistani who owns a camel and a goat? A bisexual.
Oh shit!
What do you call a Pakistani baby?
Pakistani baby? No idea.
Hand grenade.
What do you call a swimming Pakistani?
A bath bomb.
What do you call a Pakistani girl who outruns 6 of her brothers?
What?
A virgin.
In Pakistan, how long it takes for a woman to take out a shit? 9 months.
पाकिस्तानी फोरप्ले के वक्त क्या करते हैं?
क्या करते हैं?
बकरे की दाढ़ी टिकल करते हैं.
What should Pakistan get for their air defense system?
What is the smallest book in history? What? Pakistan War Victory.
What do you call a Pakistani abortion clinic?
हसीम दवाखाना. I'm just guessing.
Counter terrorism. What do you call a 13-year-old Pakistani girl who can run faster than her cousins?
कोई आइडिया नहीं है यार. आजकल पाकिस्तान के बारे में बात तो नहीं कर सकते.
A virgin.
What's the difference between a stoner and a Pakistani?
What?
When a stoner smokes, he doesn't explode.
When will a Pakistani cricketer have 100 runs to his name? When he's bowling.
How did the Pakistanis find the goat in the field? How? Very satisfying.
Tell me, what's the difference between Pakistani woman and an American woman?
नहीं पता.
An American woman gets stoned before she commits adultery.
What's the difference between a microwave and a Pakistani?
Microwave and a Pakistani? No clue, no clue. You need it.
The microwave doesn't blow up every time the timer goes off.
Having a blast!
What do you call a Pakistani who has 6 scopes?
What?
A pimp.
Why do Pakistani people smell so bad?
Why do you smell them?
Yeah, I had this thought.
Okay, why?
But so that even blind people could hate them. What's the height of a fox?
6 feet 3 inches.
ये तो fact है यार.
तो जो क्या है?
A Pakistani praying for peace. What is round and hates Pakistani?
The world.
That's true. That's the joke. That is the joke. So, what's the difference between a Pakistani hospital and a terrorist camp?
Similarities? No, I have no idea.
Pakistan doesn't fund hospitals.
बाप रे पाकिस्तानी टूरिज्म का टैगलाइन क्या है?
क्या है?
हैव अ ब्लास्ट.
What's the difference between a goat and a girl child? One is loved by Pakistani and one is hated by Rajasthan.
God! Oh God! Oh God!